Hi kids, welcome to your science class. Today we're going to see the topic of what is light energy. Let's go to the lesson number 3 on your science section, please. And we're going to start on page 246. In this page, you have an experiment. If you don't have the materials in here, you can answer the questions thinking what can happen with this. Use your imagination to answer this if you cannot do the experiment, okay? Let's go then to the first topic, the sources of light. Remember that the light can come from different places. For example, the sun or some animals can provide a special light. This topic, you can see it on page 247. Using this information, please answer this activity and the question number 2. Let's see. One fact is that the earth will be too cold and dark for any life. Another fact is that the plants need the sunlight to make fun. This information, you know it in here. So, using these two facts, what is the conclusion? That the sun is the most important light source life on Earth. Yes? Why do you think that the sun is the most important source of light? Remember that we need the sun for the plants. We need the sun because it gives us the light and it gives us a very comfortable temperature to live. So it's very important. Yes, use these facts to answer this activity. And on question number 2, you have to describe how this firefly can be a source of light energy. If you read the information in the book, you will see something that it's called the bioluminescence. What is that? The energy, the light energy that it's created using some chemicals in the body to produce the light. And the firefly is one of those insects, one of the animals that can create this type of light energy. The second topic is the light waves we can see. This topic we can see it on page 248. In this page we have just one question. Why does the visible light spectrum have different colors? In here you can see a picture: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. This is a rainbow. Can you see it in your book? Okay, if you can read this part, the form of light energy that we can see is called the visible light, and the light energy travels from its source as waves. This is very important. The light, the energy travels like waves. Yes? And these waves, we can see them if we divide the wave in different parts. You can see the colors of the rainbow. Yes? And the light that you can see, all the lights that you can see with your eyes, it's called the visible light. And the white light is the light from a lamp or the sun. Yes? For example, the light that you have in your room, usually it's white light. And the white light, it's created with a blend of all the colors. Yes? And these colors make up the visible light spectrum. What is the visible light spectrum? All the colors that create the white light. And the colors of the visible light spectrum always appear in the same order in which they appear in the rainbow. This is very important. This is the order in which you can find the spectrum on the white light. It's always in this order. Always is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. Yes? Let's go to the topic number 3, the prisms. In the prisms topic on page 249, you can see that a prism is a piece of glass that can separate the white light into the different wavelengths. Yes, what is a prism? The prism is a piece of glass that if you put in front of a white light, it's going to be able to divide the white light in the different parts of the spectrum. Yes, and a prism lets you see the colors that you have in the white light. You have a picture in here. Yes, using this information, answer the question number 4. Explain how raindrops and prisms are similar. When it's raining, you can see a rainbow because the drops of water are acting like a prism. But how it's possible that the water from the raindrops can divide the light in the different spectrums like a prism? In what are they similar? Yes. And in the question number 5, the raindrops can cause light waves to blend. What other sources can cause a rainbow to form? In what other things can we see a raindrop? For example, I can see it on soap bubbles. Yes? And you? What other sources of a rainbow can you think of? Answer on question number 5. When you finish this, we can go to the next topic. The topic of the light and matter. And what is this? If you can see, the light rays travel in straight lines. This is very important. They are straight, yes? They are not like the sound that are moving. They are direct. And as long as nothing is in their way, they are going to continue moving in a right direction. But when the light rays strike an object, they may pass through it, reflect off, or be absorbed by it. The light and matter act in 3 different ways. If the light hits an object, this can pass through the object, it can be reflected, or the light can be absorbed. Let's see what happened in this. Answer the question number 6 using this information that you have on the page 250. Light rays reflect as they travel from the pencil to the water, to the glass, to the air. Explain how the pencil looks. If you can see, the pencil looks like divided, like cut. Yes, because of the light hitting the water. So this effect makes that the pencil looks separated. Yes, this is an example of the light and matter. Finally, on the last topic, page 251, we're going to see the absorption. And what is this? If you see the topic on page 251, you're going to see that the objects may absorb some light waves, and the absorption occurs when an object takes in a light wave. When they take the light wave, that is the absorption. And you can see how this happened using this picture. So, answer the question number 8. Tell what you see in the photo at right and explain what you see. What can you see in this picture? What can you see in the picture? For example, I can see that the bridge, it's reflecting, and that the light reflects the source of water. Yes, because if you can see, the bridge, it's reflecting on the water. Yes? And answer the question number 9 and number 10 using the information of the lesson. If you have any questions, please let me know. See you. Bye, babes.